is regarding the sparse matrix multiplications. The sparse matrix means the matrices where the majority of the entries are zeros. We have already discussed that we are supposed to represent sparse matrix in the form of triplet in that case, as we've done in the previous lecture. So for sparse matrix multiplication, in general form of multiplication, what we used to do, we used to multiply. Let us suppose if I want to find the entry for say the array, this is the matrix A, say this, let this matrix is D or whatsoever name you can give, this is the output matrix C. So to find any entry for say the example is A32, I want to find the entry for C32. So how you were going to do earlier for finding the entry of C32, you used to multiply this row with this column 32. तो करते कैसे थे, सारे रोज, तो इसका आउटपुट क्या आएगी 15 into 8, third row of the first matrix and the second column of the second matrix to get the entry of C32, which is here. That's this answer. This is the mathematical form of getting anything done. Third row and the second column of the second matrix. So how you were supposed to do, you will be multiplying first entry of this by the first entry, 15 by 8 multiplied by 12 into 0 multiplied by 0 into 9 plus 0 into 9 multiplied by 0 into 0. This is how you are multiplying every column, element by element. 15 into 8, then 12 into 0 plus 0 into 9 plus 0 into 0. This was how you are going to do. If I say in a form of programming point of view, I will say for the first matrix, which is the A matrix, I will be freezing this third index of the row, this third in the row, and there is a variable called K, which will vary for fetching the value of 15, then 20, then 0, then 0 value. That means my K will vary from 0 till 3 for the particular K value. Then I will be multiplying this factor by the entry B for the next column. Say matrix is D. So what I will do, I will keep your column of D matrix being same, that is 2, all the 2 column entries, and my K will vary from 0, 1, 2, 3, same vertically. That is a row value. This row value will remain same in that case. Sorry, that will be varying one. That means this entry and this entry will be same plus the previous sum. Previous sum is the earlier value of C32, because initially C32 you have to keep it as 0, then you will keeping on adding this tidbit further to get the final answer. So K will be traversing from 0 till 3 for this, and from this example of also from 0 to 3. The row and the column should match for matrix to be multiplied. This is how you used to do in case of mathematics to multiply 2 matrices. So what we are going to do here in this example, whenever you are trying to multiply 2 sparse matrices, the second thing what we can do, the alternate of that means this K column should be these values should match. In general case, I can say Cij, which we used to do, this is equal, this is same as earlier value of Cij plus this. That means these K values should be matching. This is how you are trying to do in the earlier case. Now this tidbit says for triplet sparse matrix multiplication, the methodology says take the first matrix as such, that is A, and multiply this matrix with another matrix by taking the transpose of the original matrix. So second matrix का कहते हैं आप transpose ले लो. तो transpose कैसे लेते हैं? 0 0 8 0. You will get the rows will swap to columns. Take this ये बन जाएगा आपका column यहाँ पर. Take the transpose of that, so that your calculations become somewhat easier. Easier कैसे होती है? I will tell you. That means I will be multiplying now not simple matrix, but single matrix A and transpose of the second matrix. अगर मुझे same C32 की entry चाहिए, अब मैंने I will not be using this transpose version. This will be convenient to handle rather than simple matrix, second matrix. Take this transpose of the second matrix. It is comparatively easier in calculation point of view. How that I will discuss. For example, if I again reflect for C32, The same principle. Now if I want to find the final entry, that is C32, which is now I'm using matrix A and transposed version of matrix D, that is second matrix, whatever the matrix I'm representing that. So what that will be, for that purpose I will be picking the third row of the first matrix and second row of the transposed version of that matrix. So what I will be doing, I will directly multiplying 15 into 8 horizontally. Multiplication will be now achieved, plus 12 into 0, luckily यहाँ पर sparse है तो 0 ही आएगा, plus 0 into 9 plus 0 into 0. So this will be now, again concept will be same value you will be getting, but now the multiplication will be done horizontally rather than vertically. If I say how to rewrite this formula, let this D was the original matrix, second matrix, B is the transpose of the original matrix. Now the alteration which will be done merely will be, I will be multiplying how to get Cij. Earlier Cij was being, C32 was being retrieved by keeping this as 3 and this as second index as 2. That is, this as 3 and second index as 2. Now for transpose version, I will be writing C32 is nothing but A3K for any value of K which I am trying to write. Just hold that. A3 for any value of K multiplied by the transpose version of matrix D, let it be B. उसको करना है तो यहाँ पर आएगा 2K. This will be the definition of the transposed version of the matrix multiplication. K आपका right side पे आएगा दोनों cases में. इस example में यहाँ तक you should grasp कि when we are multiplying two sparse matrices, first you take the transpose of the second matrix, and rather than rewriting the definition of original matrix multiplication, we will be trying to go in this direction. K आपका पहले, this was a common entry somewhat here. Now you will be keying at the right side of all the values. To get the Bij value, I will be using this notation. So this is the thing I will be using further for my purpose. That means if I want to retrieve any Cij entry, I will be picking Aik entry for the first matrix and transpose version of second matrix. I will be starting from the jth entry, jth row entry for the second matrix. And this second indices of both should match to get the entries, to participate in the entries of Cij, because this is Cij is equal to Cij plus all these value, and K will vary for the valid range. K जो भी आपका dimensions of the matrix है उसके according आपका index आएगा. That will be, if this is a 4 by 4, 4 by 3 is multiplied by 3 by 4, obviously K will be 3 in that case. That depends on the common dimension. K कहाँ तक जाएगा आपका, plus उसमें जाएगी values. So this is the brief overview. When you want to, for sparse matrix multiplication, when you want to multiply two matrices, A multiplied by B, first take the transpose of the matrix B and multiply only the corresponding elements which are present, because in the sparse matrices non-zero entry will only be there. Zero entries are not being present, so जो भी present entries हैं, you will be able to multiply and add at the respective position. Now be careful, I am about to start the example portion. So let us suppose this was my original matrix. I have represented the matrix version of triplet version of this matrices. If I want to write the triplet version of this first matrix, what I will be writing? Only non-zero entries, that to row wise. That means I will say 0th row, index row, third index column, entry is 12. Second entries are all 0. Next entry will be second index row, second index column, element is 5. Next I will be entering third index row, 0 index column, entry is 15. Next is third index row, 1 index column, entry is 12. Let it be 12. What's the value it is? So similarly, in the next example, if I'm representing now, I will be using now transposed version of this matrix, not the original one. The second triplet in transposed version will be 0th row, third index column, 20 value. First row, it is actually not first row, it is the first column. If you just see vertically, first row, third index in the triplet version, 25. Second row, 0th column, 8 value, and so on. Fill all these triplets for the transposed version of the matrix. Now these are the values. This was the original triplet and this is the transpose version of that triplet. Now this is, we are left with the matrix A and matrix B, which is a transposed version of the original. So in the transposed version, there are total 6 non-zero entries. 6 non-zero entries there. And in this version, there are 5 non-zero entries. N1 is 5, N2 is 6, which will be of our concern. Remember this thing, for metric multiplication, we will have to use this principle. Cij is equal to Aik into Bjk plus Cij. जो आपकी same entries है, 0 से शुरू होगा Cij. It will keep on adding for all the possible values of k. If this the dimension of this is 4/4, 4/4, तो k आपका 0 से लेके 4 तक valid रहेगा, जो चलेगा. So that means for such entries whose this k and k matches, those will be used for our purpose. Now I am trying to start with the same example. So if you see carefully, this is for first row. So possible entries are for first array, row value is this one. And I used to say Cij. What was Cij? For the matrix, that is 0th row, ith row for the matrix A. And if I'm taking the original matrix, let it be D, jth column of matrix, actual matrix D. This is what I wanted to do. But I took the transposed version. So that is a B. B is nothing but transpose of D. So B matrix will be basically the, this J will be nothing but the row of the matrix B to get Cij, because we have taken the transpose version. If I'm saying I am using 0th row of the matrix A and 0th row of the matrix B, that means I am okay. I am dealing with 0, 0 of the final matrix C. If I say I will take the 0th row of this and say second row of the second matrix, 2 value of the second matrix, that is row value of the second matrix, that means I am dealing with 0, 2. Reason being, 2 being column here, but it was actually a row in the triplet because it is a transposed version. Now I'm repeating back. Let me just go through this triplet. अब मैं आपको बता रही हूँ एंट्रीज कौन कौन सी होंगी. तो पॉसिबल एंट्रीज विल बी, जस्ट गो फॉर द ऑल द पॉसिबल एंट्रीज. दिस विल बी फर्स्ट एंट्री, पॉसिबल एंट्री कैन बी 0th row and 0th column. First entry can be C00. Second entry can be 0th row, final for the of the matrix, final matrix, 0th row and first column. Third entry can be 0th row and second column. Fourth entry can be 0th row and third column. Because why I'm using this as a third column, actually it is the row in triplet because I have already taken the transpose of that. Similarly, next entry can be second row and 0th column, second row and 0th column, second row and first column. Remember this thing, we will be only feeding those entries for which the value is valid. It is non-zero values and it exists. And then second row, third column. Similarly, third row, 0 column, third row, 1 column, third row, 2 column, third row, 3 column. Remember this thing, for third row, 3 column, these entries will be a part of the game. Again, I'm repeating it because this is being crucial to make it clear. When I'm saying I want to find the value of, say, C02. So how many entries? C02 means if I go for the scratch, all the entries whose array index is starting from 0 for the kth entry, if I just do the original matrix, it would have been all the k entries of second index column like this. But I have taken a transpose. I will say the transpose version of this is 2k. So I will try to pick all the entries with the 0th row for C02. All these entries will be part of the for the evaluation. 0th row wale AK or B matrix, which is transpose version, all entries of B matrix, which is having the row value as 2. Row value as 2 to find the entry of C02. If I was willing to find the entry of C03, so this chunk will come into picture, this whole, along with this chunk. So these two chunks will be responsible for finding the value of C03. Similarly, for finding the entries for C33, if I just go for finding the entries of C33, this chunk and this chunk will come into picture. Okay. Now I'm starting to traverse how to calculate the values of respective CIJs. So first time, being starting from scratch. So first time I will be picking the how to calculate the value of C00. So C00, these two tidbit will come into picture. So what is the required logic for that? Try to pick whose second index. This is the original matrix. This is the first matrix. This is the transpose version of second matrix. Whose the second component, that is column component. If I go in terms of row and column component, that's a k component of both. If it matches, then it will be part of this formulation to find the value of Cij. तो C00 की एंट्रीज में आपको वो वैल्यूज पिक करनी है A की और B की जिसका सेकंड इंडेक्स दोनों का सेम हो. अब इसका C01 की आप बात करोगे, C01 और ये 1 और 3 ये मैच नहीं कर रहे. दिस K वैल्यूज आर नॉट मैचिंग, तो दिस विल नॉट बी अ गुड कॉम्बिनेशन फॉर मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन फॉर C00. कमिंग टू द सेकंड एंट्री C0312, यहाँ पर है 0320, तो दिस वाज द कैंडिडेट फॉर 00 फाइंडिंग दिस. इसका k और इसका k मैच कर गया, so this will be a part of again sum 00 is initially equal to 0. You will say sum 00 is equal to previous sum 00, what's the sum value was there, plus because k is matching now, you will multiply this aik and bjk 12 into 20. तो C00 की एंट्री आ जाएगी 240. C00 will come out to be 240. This is the answer for the C00 entry. You will take an index k, which will be incremented when you keep on adding the entries one by one in the triplet. Now coming to the second component, that second component is C01. What are the candidates to become C01? Now you're taking two entries. 00 entries will remain same. C01 की entry में ये दो आते हैं. C01. That is equal to plus. You keep on adding that value. C01 is equal to C01 plus this. Initial value of C01 is taken as 0. So how to get it done? C01 is nothing but try to find पहला element था इसका रो component था, क्या इसका k component k should match for both the cases. क्या इसका k और ये k match कर रहा है? No. Go for the second entry of this. क्या इसका k और इसका k match कर रहा है? Yes. So C01 entry will have C01 that is previously 0 plus 12 into 25 because its k component was matching. So the answer you will be getting C01 entry को आप यहाँ पर copy कर दो row and column को, and the answer for this is 300. Next the entry is C02. For C02, now all the rows which value 0, and in this case all the rows starting with the index 2 because it is the transpose version. That is why I'm picking this row. तो C02 की एंट्री में आप फिर से जाओ. Initially the value is equal to 0 because when you are playing with these internal notation. C02 is equal to previous C02 plus क्या इसका k वैल्यू मैच कर रही है? कहते इस एंट्री का इसमें से कोई मैच नहीं कर रही k वैल्यूज. गो फॉर द थर्ड एंट्री. सेकंड वाली एलिमेंट को देखो, ये वाली इस किसी से भी मैच नहीं कर रही, तो इसकी कोई एंट्री नहीं आएगी बिकॉज k component should be matching in this case. कोई no entry for C02, कुछ भी नहीं आएगा. देन कमिंग टू C03. C03 के लिए कैंडिडेट बन जाएंगे ये और these. Now to get for these values the k entry, which one is matching? This and this is matching. Done. तो आपकी एक एंट्री आएगी 10 into 23. नेक्स्ट एंट्री 3 वाली एंट्री किसी से भी नहीं मैच कर रही, सिर्फ आएगी आपकी वैल्यू 230. C03 will entry 230. ऐसे कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट इटरेशन. नाउ यू हैव कंज्यूम्ड ऑल द possibility for 00 बना दिया, then 01 बना दिया, 02 was not feasible, 03 बना दिया. Now switch to the second component of row, that is C01, C20 sorry, which are being a non-zero entries. Now when you are trying to go for this, इसका k value और इसकी k value match नहीं कर रही. No entry for C02 in the final matrix. Then we go for C2 and 1. Next C21 entry का try करो. तो C21 के लिए what you will doing? C21 का क्या ये k कॉलम और ये k वैल्यू मैच कर रही है? No, they are not. सेकंड कॉलम इसकी कॉलम एंट्री दैट इज अ के कंपोनेंट, कॉलम एंट्री ऑफ द ट्रांसपोज्ड वर्जन मैच नहीं कर रही, लीव दिस एंट्री आल्सो। नेक्स्ट कम C22, C22 में एक तो ये रो जाएगी और वो सारी रोज जिसमें 2 की एंट्रीज है, बोथ विल बी कंट्रीब्यूटिंग। अब इसमें से मैचिंग रो और क्या है, के वैल्यू सिर्फ एक है 2 और 2 यहाँ पर, तो 9 into 5 45, दिस विल बी अ कैंडिडेट फॉर C22 एंट्री। नेक्स्ट कमिंग जोन इज C23, C23 के लिए पॉसिबल जोन्स क्या हैं, C2 का तो ये है और 3 के लिए सारे ये जोन, इसका के वैल्यू कहीं भी मैच नहीं कर रही तो इसकी एंट्री फाइनल मैट्रिक्स में नहीं आएगी। नेक्स्ट कमिंग टू थर्ड इंडेक्स, तो A30 में इसका के कंपोनेंट किसी से मैच नहीं कर रहा, नो एंट्री। फिर A31 के लिए पॉसिबल कैंडिडेट क्या है, इसका के कंपोनेंट और इसका के कंपोनेंट मैच नहीं कर रहा, नो एंट्री। देन A32 के लिए वैलिड कैंडिडेट्स क्या है, ये सारी 3 वैल्यूज और इसकी सारी जो 2 वाली वैल्यूज का सारा चंक, इसका 0 और इसका के कंपोनेंट मैच कर गया, बाकी ये और ये मैच नहीं कर रहे। 15 into 8 you will get the entry for A32 as 120. Done. Last is that is A33 entry. A33 entry, if you can carefully scan for this, both this K and this K is matching. Okay, for A33 entry, initial value was 0 plus 15 into 10 because this was matching, K entry was matching. Similarly, this K and this K was matching, so this will also be a candidate. 15 into 10 plus 12 into 23. The answer of this is 426. If you just solve it, you will get the entry as 426. So this is the whole story behind how to multiply two sparse matrices. Given those sparse matrices in the triplet format, very first thing, if you want to multiply two matrices, take the transpose of the second version and try to find the possible combinations which are the valid entries for the final answer. Remember this thing, keeping this K being same for